All right. Here's a question, and this question is from Venn diagram for set. So, this question I will place the question on the video, but this is just what they asked us to do. So I don't want to write the note here. I just want to write the main thing that we needed for here. So now, this you see, I put A. This A, they asked us to illustrate all what they asked us to do from the question, and this is what they asked us to do from the A. They say we should put it in a diagram. And so you can see I have already put in the diagram. This is the first bank, this is the trust bank, and this is the Hallmark bank. Now, after I have put everything here and the total number of people, they say 120 people in a community. 120 people in a community, 72 use first bank, 65 use trust bank, and then 53 use Hallmark Bank. So now they now ask us to find this one. Then see people that use First Bank and Trust Bank, 35. People that use First Bank and Hallmark Bank, 30. And people that use Trust Bank and Hallmark Bank, 21. So now they say we should find total number. They say customer, how many customer bank Roman figure one, they now say in all banks, in all three banks. That means this X mean this is what they mean. This X, this question, it mean we should find this X. People that use all the three banks is this X. Before we go to two and then go to three. So now solution. And I want to solve this question in two ways. But first I will start from the first way. First way to solve this question. Now let's continue. Now I put the summation, the universal, then put small n bracket is equals to. So now I'll put this one, small n, then f in bracket plus small n, then t in bracket, then plus small n, then h in bracket. So now this f means 72, this t means 65, and then this h means 53. So now then I'll put this plus x, the plus, which is I'll put the x, then minus. So now we'll put a minus. So this minus that we put is for us to put this one, people that use these two, First Bank and Trust Bank, First Bank and Hallmark Bank, and then Trust Bank and Hallmark Bank. So now we'll have n equals to f intersection t plus n f intersection h, and I use plus now is minus, please, minus, then when I use minus, and in bracket we have t intersection h. So now we are going to put all the numbers into this formula that I just write. So now this one is 120. We have 120 is equals to the f is 72, t is 65, plus h is 53, then plus x minus this one is 35 minus this one is 30, then minus 21, which is this one. See 21 here. So now I bring it down here. It's equals to So now, want to plus this one, and this one. So let's plus it together and see. Um, so this and this one we have this one we have 125. So 125 plus this one, that's 190. 190 plus x minus this plus this minus 35 minus 30 minus 21. So we have minus 60 minus 86. We have minus 86. We have minus 86. So now, when I said 120 is equals to 190 minus 86 plus x. So now this 190 minus 86, we have 120 is equals to 190 minus 86, we'll have 104 plus x. So now we'll carry this one to this side, it will be minus 120 minus 104 is equals to x. Let's say therefore x, this x is equals to 120 minus 104 will have 16. So the value of x is what? Is 16. So let me draw the line. We will have Roman figure 1. We have um we have 16 customers that banks with the three banks. So we have 16 customers that banks with First Bank, Trust Bank, and then Hallmark Bank. Hallmark Bank. So now, since there is no space, I will clean this one. Since we have known the value of x, let me write it here. X is equals to 16. So now, since we have known the value of uh, of x to be 16, so now I want to find the number of customers that use only one of the three banks, like that use only First Bank, only Trust Bank, and then only Hallmark Bank. So we want to know, because it's not all that use all the banks. So we want to know exact customers that use only one of the three banks. So now, you know something, I will this 35, I will minus this 16, this x from this 35, I will get the exact number of people that use two banks, First Bank and Trust Bank. Then likewise with this one and this one. So let me do it here. We'll have F integration T is equals to 35 minus 16 is equals to, I think it's 19 customers only. 19 customers only. You need to put this only because for this one, it's not only. For this one, it's not only. But this 19 means it's only 19 customers. Bank with First Bank and Trust Bank. Now, let's look for this one. Intersection H, which is 30 minus 16. 30 minus 16, I think is 14 customers. So we have 14 customers that bank with First Bank and Halma Bank for here. So now let's look for the one that bank with this one and this one. Let's see. We have T intersection H, which is 20. This 20 minus 16 is equals to, so we have 5. So now, so now T intersection H, this intersection mean together, together. I put intersection mean together, together. So now we have 5 customers that bank with only Trust Bank and Hallmark Bank. So now we want to find the exact people that bank with only one bank. So now let's see. We'll have for the first bank, will have 72. You see, first bank. Let's see, first bank has 72 customers. So now for us to find the only customer that bank with only first bank, we need to minus the customer that use this, they use first bank and trust bank, which we have 19. We have 19. Then and this one too, the customer that use this one, I use first bank and Halman bank, which is 14. Then minus this the customer that use all the 3 banks, which is 16. So minus it and see. Minus 14 minus 16, which is minus 30. Then that's minus 30, that's minus 49. 49. Let's see. Minus 49 is equals to 23. So we have 23 customers that bank with First Bank only, only. So let's go to Trust Bank. Which is 65. So we have the reason why I did not use this 21 for the First Bank is because if you check the cycle of the First Bank, the 21 is outside of it. So it is only this one, and this one. So that's why I use only the 19 and the 16 and the 14. Alright, so now people that let's go to Trust Bank. So now let's minus people that use only 2 banks and then that is attached to Trust Bank. We have this 30x and then 21. And we know that in this 21 it is 5 and in this 35 it is 19. That only use only the 2. So it's just people that will minus. So now we'll have minus 19 minus 5 and then minus 16. The 16 is the x because 16 are the only people that use all the 3 banks. So now let's put the minus together. So we'll have minus 19 minus 5, it is 24, and then with this one it is 40. It is 40. We'll have 65 minus 40. Yes, because minus 19 and minus 5, it is minus 24, then minus 16. That is minus 40. And then minus 40, 65 minus 40, it then we'll have we'll have so 65 minus 40 is 25. So we have 25 customers that bank with only trust bank. Only trust bank. Only. So let's go to the hallmark. So we have hallmark is we have 53. So now we use 53. This one, and this one, and this one. So in the place of 30, we have 40. Sorry, we have 14. In the place of the 30, this place, in the place of this one. So it's no longer 30, but what? But 14. So we have 14 minus 5 minus 16. So now minus 14 minus 5, that is minus 19. Then minus 16. So we now have 35. We'll have 35, that is equals to 15 to minus 35. Because this one minus this one is minus 30, and then this one is minus 35. So now we want to subtract 35 from here. So it will be what? I think it will be 18. Am I right? Yeah. 18 customer only. So let me use this with 18 only. So we have 18 customers that use only Halma Bank. Only Halma Bank. So now they said, question said, how many customers bank customers bank with then Roman numerals 2. Then I said exactly one of the three banks. Exactly one of the three banks. They say how many of them are. So now, since we have known the first bank, which is 23, and the trust bank, which is 25, and the hallmark bank, which is 18, so we'll now sum them together. We'll now say we have 23, 23 plus 25 plus 18 is equals to, so you have 48, 48, then 66. So we have 66 customers. 66 customer bank with exactly, sorry, one of the three banks. So you have 66 customers bank with exactly one of the three banks. Exactly one of the three what? Banks. We have only what? Only 63 customers. So now, since I filled this one, going to the next question, I need to clean this one so I can continue. So now, the last one says two or more of the three banks. So how many customers use two or more of the three banks? So we want to calculate. And you know that in here we have only 19 use only First Bank and Trust Bank, 14 use only First Bank and Halma Bank, and then 5 use only Trust Bank and Halma Bank. So now these are the what? The people that use only two of the what? Of the three. Only two of the banks. So now, and they say or more. So that means we will join with the 16, which are people that use all the three banks. But if they see there are other more banks, then we will still add them. But since the late medium is only three, so and this one is only the last one, so we'll now join with the 16 just to get the total answer. So now we'll say customers, cus- customers that use only two or more of the bank so we have is equals to, we'll have 19 plus 14 plus 5 then plus 16. This for the 2 and this one is for the 3. So now we'll sum it together and then I see what we got. So now this you have 30 is 38 plus 16, which will be what? 54 customers. So we have 54 customers that use only two or more of the banks, that use only two or more. So we have people that use only three and we have people that use only two. So people that use only two are 38 and people that use only three are 16. They will still join together because they say more. So you will get 54 customers. That's customer that bank with two or more of the banks. Yes, so this is the first method. So now let's go to the second method. This method, it was a method that our lecturer taught us, and then the method, I don't know, some people may understand this method, so I want to show them other method, whether other people still can still use that method and solve this kind of problem. So let's go to the next method. So now let's go to the next solution. Let's go to the next method. So now the only difference for this second method is how to find its x. That one I use is like a formula, and this one too I will use another method on how to find its x. So after you find the x, you can put all the values and do the remaining two. But I want to show you another method on how to find this x. Understand? Some people may be confused. How come they put minus for here? How come this one did like this? How come this one did like this? So this one, I want to show you this one. Maybe other people may grab from it. Understand? Maybe understand it more and more. So now let's try this other method. This one, I see. Let me see. This one is minus. Let me see. We have 30 minus x, 30 minus x, 35 minus x, this one minus x. So now I want to show you. I only do the method to find this one because that's the only difference. After that one, you can put what you got from here and then put it together and get the answer. So now let's try and see. So let's say now let's start with first bank. First bank for this method. First bank, the first time we start with first bank. In this method, we need to, like, let's label it and say this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. So now this method we said is equals to, we'll say A, which is this one, we'll put A, which is this one, and then we'll now put plus 35 minus x plus this one, 30 minus x plus x plus this x. We will not use this one because this one is not in the cycle of first bank, so we will not use it. So it's only this one we will use. Then this first bank, I'm going to put the 72, which is equals to. Do you get it? So now, we have said this A is is exactly only people that use first bank. This fee is for the exactly people that use only first bank. So want to bring it back. Follow me. Bring it out. So please follow me and pay attention. So now let's see we have A plus. Now let's look. We have 35 and 30, which is 65. Then minus x, we have minus 2x plus x. So we now have 72 is equals to, are you getting? So now we have what? We have A plus minus 2x plus x will now be what? 65 minus x. So we now carry this one to this side. So we now have 72 minus 65 plus x is equals to A. Because if this minus x cross will become plus. So now let's subtract and see. So we now have 72 minus 65 will now be what? 7. Am I correct? Yeah. 7 plus x is equals to A. So now we have find A is now less for us to find the remaining two bank, which is trust bank. We have trust bank. We have trust bank. Well, this method is very long, but for me it is more explainable than the first one I used. It's more explainable. So some people may understand this one too. Some people may understand the two. Some people may understand this one or understand that one. So that's why I want to use it. So trust bank is equals to B plus. So now this one we have 35 minus x plus 21 minus x plus x. Then so we'll collect the light time. 35 plus 21 give us 56 minus 2x. That's just this one plus x, this one, and then we'll, we'll now do minus 2x plus x will now give us this one, and then I carry to this side, the sign change. So this one will be 9 plus x, which is. So now we have find B. It's left for us to find C. So now, since there is no space, I will already find all this one. So what I will do is that I will write them here. We have E, which is equals to 7. For the first bank, A is equals to 7 plus X. Then for the trust bank, we have B is equals to 9 plus X. So now we can now clean this one. So now let's go to C, which is what? Hallmark Bank. Hallmark Bank is equals to C plus plus 30 minus x plus 21 minus x then plus x. So this number is 53. The Halma is 53. So I'll put the 53 is equals to, we have C plus 30, we have 30 and 21, we have 51. Then minus x, we have minus 2x plus x. So 53 is equals to C. plus minus x plus x will now be 51 minus x. So this one cross to this side, we have, sorry, we have 53 minus 51 plus x is equals to c. So we have 2 plus x is equals to c. So c is equals to 2 plus x. So now it's left us to now use this method. So now that one use minus, but this one will not use minus. That's another good part of it. We will not use minus. We will not say this one minus this one. No. We will only use the only minus that will be there will be this 221 minus x. We'll still use it there. But let's continue. You have already find our A, our B, and our C. So let's solve it together. So we have this one is equals to n f plus n t plus n h plus x. This x mean n f intersection t intersection h. Tell me all the three banks. Then plus n f t plus n f h plus n t h. So now we have to bring everything down to 120. And this one, instead of writing the 72, we will now use these ones. Do you get it? So is this ones we'll use now? We will not use these numbers again. We will use these ones. Okay. We'll use these ones. We will not use these ones. This one, this one, this one. No. Is this what we have found? Fine. We will not use this for this ones. So now we'll have 7 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 2 plus x plus this one which is x plus 30, 35 minus x plus, because this one is 35 minus x. Please no space, that's why you cannot understand the minus. That is minus. No space, that's why that is minus. This one that is minus. This one too that is minus. That is minus. So then we'll now have 30 minus x plus 21 minus x. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. So now we'll now correct that time and solve it. 20 is equals to 7 plus 9, 16, 18. 18 x plus x plus x plus x, that is plus 4x. Now see another 35 and this which is 65. This is, then let me put it plus 65. We will still come and join it together, but I want to break everything down. We will now have minus x minus x, which is minus. Oh, I'm sorry, I forget. So plus this one, which is 86. I'm sorry, 86. So we'll now have minus 3x. So we have minus 3x. So now we'll now join this one together to see we have 90. We have yeah, we'll have 90. That means this one we have 90, that's 104. We have 120, we have 100 104 plus 4x minus 3x. So 120 is equals to 104, which is 104. So 4x minus 3x we have plus x. So this one cross to this side, you have 18 is equals to x. So therefore x is equals to 16. So this is simple as that. So this one at least is more understandable because all of them are plus plus. We just plus them, plus them, plus them, plus them. So some people will understand this one more. People will understand this one more. Other people will understand that one. But anyone you understand, let it be. That so as we have found this x, then you will now use it and do the method. Other method are still the same, but this is a different method. So thank you for watching, and then like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. Thank you so much. Bye.